Hi guys, welcome to Gloria's Platter. This Sri Lankan style chicken curry is cooked in the rice cooker. This method is so easy and the chicken curry becomes quite delicious. Please watch until the end to see how I made this chicken curry in the rice cooker. I will give you step-by-step instructions. So here I have my chicken drumsticks. Feel free to take the skin off. We need onions, garlic, tomatoes, and green chilies. Turn the rice cooker switch to cook position and add oil to the inner pot. When heated up, add curry leaves, pandan leaves, and lemongrass. Watch out, the oil will splatter. Fry for a minute or two. Add garlic, onions, and green chilies. Fry until onions are translucent. Add cinnamon, cardamoms, and cloves. If the rice cooker switches to keep warm, press cook again. Now let's add turmeric powder, salt, red chili powder, curry powder, and tomatoes. Mix well and fry for 3 to 5 minutes. Add the chicken one at a time and mix to coat well. Add 1.5 cups of water. Check the description box for the full recipe. Cover and let it cook for 25 minutes. And remember, when you are cooking in the rice cooker, every now and then the rice cooker's cook switch will return to keep warm and you will have to adjust it. Now it's time to add coconut milk and cook for another 5 minutes uncovered. So guys, my chicken curry cooked in the rice cooker is ready for the table. I am serving this with mutton biryani. Check out that video if you have missed it. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also to subscribe to Gloria's Platter. Remember to hit the bell button so you will not miss any future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.